Hi guys, it's Danny at Lancaster Automart, Cox Motor Group, with our relevant partners, Lancaster Volkswagen. And we are looking at today the BMW 1 Series 116d, and it is the urban model, 2-litre diesel, 5-door hatch in Alpine White, 2012 model. And it comes with a pretty decent package for the price on the road. There's quite a few added extras. There's the driver comfort package, folding mirrors, and voice activated Bluetooth, all inclusive. Quite a tidy looking vehicle. Colour coordinated grille. Obviously, if you want to come and have a look, you're more than welcome. What you'll probably see on the website, on the images, there's a few indiscrepancies on the bodywork, but once it's been in the body shop and the relevant bits have been ironed out and polished up, the guys will make it looking brand new, because the guys are good like that. And on the interior, mix of upholstery, material and leather, plenty of room. Again, tidy on the inside. Along with the trim, you got the black acrylic. And it's a manual gearbox. Six-speed. And your display unit. Again, if there's anything you want to look at in particular, you're more than welcome to come down and have a look. It's not a problem. Or if you want a personalised online viewing, we can do that also. Just get in touch, let us know what you want to do. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Just come down and see us. Again, like I said before, there's a few discrepancies with a little bit of the cleanliness and the bodywork, but again, once it's gone through the body shop, it'll be fine. Just come and have a look and see what you think. Very smart looking. Cheers guys.